from SatNav Systems, and today we have Volkswagen reversing camera high version, which has the active guidelines. These are the yellow lines here that move with the steering wheel. So if I move here, you can see they moving. This is and these active lines help you park the car. And Volkswagen offers two types of cameras, standard and high. Standard has fixed lines. This one has an active lines, and also comes with additional features. So if I come to the screen here, you've got options here to help you park. So let's say you have a trailer. You select this button here, and you can see the bumper here. And if you will have a trailer, it will show you exactly when you're approaching to tow hook hitch to attach it. It will show you how close you're getting to. You've got different views as well. This is the colors. You can look at, this is the standard view, which is like a fisheye view, which gives you like a wide angle view here. You also have got this parking mode, which is, I think, parallel parking, I believe it's called. So it shows you a square where you're going to end up when you're parking, and just helps you navigate through that when you getting to the when you're parking between the cars. It's a little bit more advanced than the standard camera. For some people, it's quite important to have this as additional assistance, which I fully understand, and it can help park the car. It's available not on all Volkswagen models. This is a Volkswagen Tiguan, so it's available for this, but it's not available on all the models. So if you want to know more information, if you're interested, please get in touch. info@satnavsystems.com. Thank you.